Hi, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Phil, aka Phil, and today I want to take out my Q3 43 for a quick shoot. And I was hoping to test out the Leica Look Chrome, but unfortunately I still don't get any sunny weather here. You can see that it's mostly cloudy right now, overcast weather. So I will do the most on the black and white high contrast look. And in addition, I want to test out the crop modes on this Q3 43 mode, especially the longer ones. And let's see what kind of image quality I can get. And you can also comment below what's your opinion about that. And also, just to set things straight, by the title I don't mean that introverts are creeps by using longer crops or longer telephoto lenses. I simply mean that I personally am too shy to get close to the action, to shoot wider lenses and get into the action to take the shot on street. So therefore I will utilize the crop mode here on the Q3. Just wanted to mention that. So let's go. And as you see, the first images are in color. I unfortunately forgot to turn the black and white look on, so the first few images are the Leica Look Chrome on an overcast day, so you can have a quick sample here. Also stick around until the end, because during this shoot I found something quite interesting regarding the autofocus and the crop mode. I just reviewed the images quickly here in the park, and looks like I have to do a lot of more practice because I'm not that happy with my results. Yeah, definitely need to practice more street photography when I get the chance, but with kids it's sometimes difficult to clear the schedule, but that's also fine. Yeah, as I already mentioned in the beginning, I wanted to mostly test out the crop mode on this Q3 43 and see how it looks like and how it performs. And as I said, my shots are not that great in my opinion, but it was quite interesting to play around with this mode, and one or two shots are quite okay, I think. Because of the crop, of course, you don't get any kind of compression, that's logical, but thanks to the 43mm and the f2, you still get some kind of bokeh in the background, even if you crop in the image a lot, depending on the shot you take. What I found interesting regarding the crop mode and the frame lines is regarding the tracking and autofocus. Today I shot everything at f2 just to see how the bokeh looks like in crop mode, but also I wanted to check how the tracking works regarding the frame lines. And my expectation was that if you activate the frame lines for the crop, that the autofocus would be smart enough to ignore everything outside the box. And this the Q3 43 does at some kind of extent. It's not reliable as you would expect. I hope I can show you here some footage regarding the tracking. You can see that sometimes if you activate the box, automatically ignores all the subjects around. But sometimes, even if you activate the box, it also ignores the subjects within the box. So that was quite weird for me. And sometimes it works quite okay in that ignoring the objects outside the box and only focusing on the subjects inside the box. So yeah, for me it was quite weird. And another point which kind of I expected, that the autofocus on the Q3 series is just not as reliable. It's not that good compared to others, to other camera brands, that's already given. But yeah, that kind of weirdly jumping in and out and so on and hunting, you still have that with the 43 version. Let's see if Leica will be able to get this fixed or improved via firmware in the next few iterations. Let's see. But for now, that's what it is right now. Damn, I think a pigeon just shit on me. In case you are wondering regarding the wrist strap I used today, I will link that below for you in the description. This is from Dennis from Seamstrap. I will link his website and his Instagram up here. He's a local strap manufacturer, can you say that? Here in Germany. He produces in Ludwigsburg, and he gifted me this one when I sold him one of my Leica cameras, and after using this for several times, I already purchased another one from him directly. Looking forward for that. I find it quite nice to support your local manufacturers. So yeah, if you're interested, check out his website and his Instagram. Yes, I think that's all for today. I hope I will get the chance to go out, shoot more, and improve my photography. As I said, I'm not that happy today with my results, but for illustration purposes, I think it's fine or okay. Let's wrap up this video until another pigeon poops on me. Thank you very much for watching. If you're still here, thank you very much. You are the one who deserves a like for that. And if you want to support my small little channel, just check out the affiliate links below in the description, or buy me a coffee, link also in the description. And if you want to watch more videos on my channel, just click on one of these and have a nice day.